They told me it would be simple. Just walk them through a few workflows. Easy. But nothing was easy about that day. My first mistake, I showed them a workflow with a name field still labelled John Testington. Oh, they laughed. I panicked. And I tried to fix it, but every field was wrong. Company names, fake emails. I was basically demoing a haunted database. And it got worse. The demo environment wasn't set up for their industry. They were fintech, and I was set up to demo dog groomers. So every time I was talking about API integrations, there was this great, big, golden retriever staring back at them from the dashboard. And then the thing froze. Cursor spinning, 5 minutes. Nothing. And the prospects started turning their cameras off. I told myself, stay calm. This can be salvaged, but it was over. By then, I wasn't presenting a demo. I was trapped inside it. I was failing spectacularly.
You should have just used Consensus AI.
Wait, what?